Hello and welcome to Unmatched. So, if you're watching this video, you're probably tired of buying grill covers every 3 to 6 months, and you decided you wanted something heavy duty that would last you a while. Well, that's kind of why I decided to make this video, because I was tired of doing that. I was buying the cheaper, $15 to $20 range, and yeah, they weren't doing so well. They always tore at the corners, or they faded. So many different grill covers that failed. Anyways, so this is actually the second take I'm doing of this video. I did my research on another grill cover, and sadly it didn't stand up to my testing. Within 2 weeks, it started tearing apart. And I mean, I did put it through like a harsh test. I put it like in the middle of my yard. And I live in Idaho, and it's kind of the windy season right now because it's February. And so we get a lot of windstorms, but still I feel like it should have lasted longer. So I went back to the drawing board, did some more research, and I'm going to be testing this one. It's a Unicook 60-inch grill cover. The reviews are really good on it. It is a little pricier, but I'm hoping it'll stand up to the tests. I'm just going to leave it out there for a month, see what happens to it. The material is jean-like, I'd say. And what I liked about this one is that it has a vinyl undercoating. So I'm hoping that'll prevent the material from ripping, especially on those corners. And so I'm going to go throw this out there and see how it does in a month. And then I'll get back to you guys in a month.
Alright, so I got the new grill cover by Unicook put on my grill. Same basic principle for attaching, just Velcro straps down here. This one's a little different. It's got this flap here with mesh for ventilation, and then this one doesn't go all the way to the bottom, so that when it's windy, the bottom doesn't scrape against the ground and get torn into shreds. So I think that's a pretty good design. Let's see how it lasts. Alright, so it's been a couple days longer than a month. It's been out here. There's been a few windstorms. It's holding really well. No signs of wear on any of the seams, any of the corners. It's looking really good.
Alright, so as you can see, the grill cover did really well. I'm really happy with the quality of it versus the first one, and the price difference wasn't even that much. But when I was doing my research and stuff, since I've been looking into it a little bit, I came across a good and useful tip. Baby protection corners. So I got this off Amazon. It's a couple bucks. Not very expensive. Basically what these are, what they're designed to do is you put them on the corner of the table. So the sharp edges blunted, so if a kid hits his head, it won't leave a gash. But they also work for grill covers. So I'm going to install these on the corners of my grill.
So to install these, I recommend you get a little isopropyl alcohol and wipe off the edges for any grease residue that might have been left over. Alright, so next you want to peel off the rest of the protective backing, and you should have gotten it pre-peeled a little bit just to make it easier. Alright, so once they're all ready, this part's simple. Just get them right onto the corners. Make sure they're attached nicely. There you go. Alright, so the grill cover's on now. And yeah, so no more sharp corners. I think this will multiply the lifespan of the grill cover several fold at least.
Alright, well, that's all I have for you for today. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you liked, commented, subscribed, thank you very much. It helps me out. Once again, links will be down in the description below. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time.